All right, I was not expecting to like this thing as much as I do. This thing is a lot of fun. Still no. I swear this thing is actually kind of therapeutic, just sitting out here and I'm on camera and just plinking with it. Even though I'm not hitting shit. It's kind of fun. What's up, guys? Today I came out to the freezing cold weather to try out this little pistol. As you can see, it's tiny, fits in a pocket. It is called the Life Card. It's a foldable gun. You pull on these two levers and the handle comes right out. And then there's two levers that pull back and the barrel comes right out. And I have a 22 with me. This is the first time I've ever actually shot this gun. I'm kind of wondering how the extraction is going to be. Right back here, this is the striker. When there's a little bit of a gap, that means it's at half cock. So, she's ready to go now. We're gonna I got some targets down there. I'm not optimistic about hitting them. Yeah, I didn't hit them. I'm not surprised. All right, let's see if that shell will come right out. Oh, comes right out, as long as you have some fingernails. You know what? Let's get some of the bullets that are in the little storage compartment. So you can get about 3 in there. And then shut the door. Open the latch. And she's ready to go. Well, I didn't have it at half cock. So, you know, not the safest thing in the world. This thing's actually, I'm genuinely having fun with this thing. I think when the weather gets warm, I'm gonna really play around with it. Cause, you know, 22s are relatively inexpensive. This would make it last longer. I swear, my camera just hates people who do things solo. Close-up shot. Honestly, a little extractor would make that a little more fun. Like something like, would it be cool if it, like, when you pulled it up like this, it was spring loaded, it shot it out? I think that would be kind of cool. As you can see, it's at half cock. Yep, hit the target. Alright, so here's some things I've noticed about this gun. One, these little tabs are kind of hard to manipulate when your fingers are frozen. Two, it doesn't really have much of a sight. It's just a ridge. There's no front sight, there's no rear sight, there's just a ridge. I love the two-toned, and there's just I just like the idea of a folding gun. I just think it's cool. It's a James Bond kind of thing, like a hidden pistol that's supposed to look like a credit card or a cell phone. It's just kind of cool, and I liked how it looked, especially with that two-tone. Things I would do to improve it is I would make the gun longer. This is still really easy to conceal at this size. I would make it longer so you could have a longer barrel with actual sights on it. I think that'd be so cool to be able to actually target shoot with this thing, and it'd be fun. With this gun as it is, you can target shoot with it, but it's really hard to sight it in. But I'd have longer sights, and I would have like an ejector, so when you go like this, pull up, it would be spring loaded, go ting, and shoot out your shell casing, then you throw in the next one. I think that would make it 10 times cooler. That's just me. I just think that would be really cool. Aside from that, I really do like this thing. I was not expecting to like it as much as I do, but it's pleasant to shoot, that it's got a full grip that's comfortable. I like that it has a little storage compartment. I would not recommend this for like defense. Like if you want something to put in a backpack, you're going on a hike and you're worried about, you know, snakes and things like that, this would be kind of cool to have in your pocket. It's easy to carry, and you can hold a couple more rounds too. But as a defense gun, even as a secondary, I wouldn't recommend it, because you have to unlock the grip, which in a high-tense situation, you don't want to be fumbling around, pulling this out of your pocket for one, then unfolding it and cocking it. And you only get one shot of .22 long rifle, which is not a good defense caliber. But as you can see, you can shoot this thing pretty fast, so I'll probably have somebody commenting that I'm a dumbass and tell me exactly why. But this thing has genuinely surprised me, and I have had a lot of fun today. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. I got a lot of cool stuff coming up.